In recent years, the appearance of our towns and industrial regions has altered sharply. The trend is towards renewable energies. Photovoltaic installations on industrial buildings, schools, residential buildings, churches and in open areas testify to steadily increasing use of solar energy. Solar energy is an especially strong growing market. Hensel supports this development with safe product solutions conforming to standards for photovoltaic plants under the brand name Enysun. Demand for electrical energy is permanently on the rise. Solar energy is inexhaustible, recession-proof, free of charge and environment-friendly. Ideal prerequisites for electric power generation that is geared towards profitability. The photovoltaic generators are mounted on rooftops, taking into account the roof design and the direction. Directly behind the generators is where the generator junction boxes from Hensel operate. Here, depending on requirements, overvoltage protection, generator disconnect switch, strand fuses or blocking diodes are installed. The generated direct current flows from here to the inverters, where it is converted into alternating current. This AC current is then collected in the inverter collectors from Hensel. The fuses for the inverters, the switching center and, where necessary, the overvoltage protection are all installed here. The collected energy is then transported to the low-voltage distributor, into which the measuring device and the transfer to the power supply company are also integrated. All distributors of the Hensel Enysun system are impact-resistant, dust-proof, protected against water jets in accordance with degree of protection IP65 and resistant to ultraviolet light, making them suitable for outdoor installation. High-quality thermoplast guarantees corrosion resistance. All products of the Enysun system conform to the international norm IEC 60364-7-712. Do you have any questions? Do you have plans for a solar installation? Our experienced specialist consultants will be glad to assist you. Together with you, we can elaborate the optimal solution for your project, also on site. We plan and configure the generator junction boxes, the inverter collectors and the low voltage distribution for your installation, and collect together the necessary material. Then we bring it to you as a complete set. Since all technical components are factory pre-assembled, putting everything together is child's play for your specialist assembly team. If required, after delivery of the Enysun components, our specialist consultants can accompany the photovoltaic project right up to completion. Here, for instance, on the roof of a well-known furniture store in Herne, a powerful and dependable installation was built that conforms to all the requirements of IEC 60364-7-712. Since Hensel delivered the Enysun generator junction boxes ready for connection, completion of the installation could take place in a very short time. The Hensel components not only fulfill the high technological requirements, but also easily withstand all outdoor environmental influences: rain, cold, heat, and permanent UV radiation. Perfect planning, high-end components, full service, satisfied customers. That's the Hensel standard worldwide. Here in Herten, on the roof of a former mine building, there was also an investment in the future, this time in a high-powered PV installation. The distribution system, Enysun from Hensel. 40 inverters with an overall output of over 300 kilowatt peak convert the direct current of the solar panel into alternating current. Any possible drop in power caused by defects is minimized by the use of smaller inverters. Even if an inverter fails outright, energy is still fed into the grid. Here too, the components for the realization of PV field installations come from the Hensel Enysun system. The housings from Enysun are of course compatible with the MI distribution system. Enysun, safe and standard product solutions for photovoltaic installations. From Hensel.